All right, so we're gonna fuse two flavors together today. We're gonna make a Reuben sandwich pot sticker. So to start this, we're gonna start by making our own Thousand Island dressing. So we're gonna put about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. So we'll have about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Ah, my God, what was that?
I don't know, but that's a funny one for.
Well, we needed a couple tablespoons of ketchup, so I guess we about got it. So it was a couple tablespoons of ketchup. We're gonna do a couple tablespoons of sweet pickle relish as well. Then we want some finely minced onion. And so I'm gonna do this by just taking an onion that I've cut and running along the cheese grater. We just need a couple tablespoons of this as well. I'm gonna throw in about a teaspoon of vinegar. I'm gonna give this a good mix. And then finish it with a sprinkling of salt. Thousand Island dressing. It's delicious. So now, since we're doing a pot sticker, we need to take our corned beef that we would normally use for a Reuben, and our Swiss cheese, and our sauerkraut, and we're gonna make that into our filling for our pot sticker. In order to do that, we need to get all of these ingredients kind of chopped down real fine so it'll go inside the pot sticker properly. So we're going to use a food processor to do that. Okay, so we're going to take our sauerkraut. I'm going to throw that right in there in our food processor. Probably doing maybe about a 1/2 cup worth, maybe a little more. Honestly, I don't know what the measurements are going to be for this. I'm making it up as I go. Obviously, if you prefer more sauerkraut on your sandwich, you could do more. If you prefer less sauerkraut on your sandwich, you could do less. All right, so Reuben has Swiss cheese in it. So I got a block of Swiss cheese here. And I'm just gonna grate that up into the food processor here. That looks good, don't you think? And then we've got our corned beef. I just bought deli pre-made corned beef. You could of course buy your own, or make your own, I should say. But I'm in a hurry, so I just bought some from the deli. So we're just gonna put that down in the food processor here. We'll put it all in here. This is about a 1/2 pound of corned beef. So now we're going to take this. We're not looking to necessarily make this into a paste. We're just looking to get it mixed up and get some all right, so let's see what it looks like. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we've got some traditional pot sticker wrappers here. With these wrappers, that's actually 2. So you're going to take them and you're going to take about a teaspoon of filling. That's probably way too much right there. Put it in the middle. Then you dip your fingers in some water and kind of run it along the outer edge here. Then you take them and you kind of pinch. Do like a little fold over curl to get that traditional pot sticker shape. You know who's way better at this than I am is my wife. So I can guarantee you the ones you see after this that are prettier will be done by her. Then that's it, you got a pot sticker. So as you can see, we have all of our dumplings crimped and made. So now it's time to get our pot stickers on the griddle. So these are quick and easy to make. So I've got my griddle preheating here. It's on kind of medium-low heat because you don't want it to be too high or it will burn the bottom of them. And so we're just gonna throw down a little bit of oil because you kind of want a fried texture on the bottom. And then we're just gonna, as it's still preheating, we're gonna gently set these out on here. I'm gonna be pretty organized with this because I want them to fit under my basting dome. I'm just gonna double check. Yep, they fit under my basting dome. So you can see it's starting to fry here. That means you're at the temp we want. And so I'm gonna take my basting dome and I'm gonna hit it with some water right in the middle here to get some steam going. And then cover them up. All right. So these only take a few minutes and a few hits with the water. And what you're looking for is for that fried texture on the bottom without being burned. You want the shell to be clearly cooked, almost translucent on the top. And that's what the steam does. Okay, so these are about right. So I'm gonna pull them off. So there we have our Reuben Potstickers. We'll tear one open. Just kind of show, got that filling in there. Right, so let's give one a try. Dip it in our Thousand Island here. It's really good. The meat got just hot enough. You could taste the cheese, you could taste the bite from the sauerkraut. And then you got that sweet Thousand Island dressing. It's actually very good. Let me know in the comments, would you give this a try? What else could we make a pot sticker out of? Until next time, thanks for watching.